What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now this is a short video, a very short video. This was airplane choreography. This is, I guess, part 2 to Kaycee, Sean and Tahani on the airplane doing their little choreography pieces. I literally got maybe 4 or 5 messages saying, oh, you need to watch this, by the way. Tahani just posted it, you need to watch it. I'm sorry, I've been at college all day and I haven't had a chance to do anything until right now. So yeah, I'm excited for this one. I loved the first one. It was funny as hell. So yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into this video, guys. And I hope you enjoy. Let's go. Dance. Kaycee. Her eyes are wide open and then she's like, bam, bam. I love how hype Sean is about the whole thing. Wait. This is a different flight. Was this on the way there, or? Because if I remember, the lady in the lady that was in the behind Kaycee's not there, and I'm pretty sure she's wearing a different merch. Hey, hey, hey. Like the you know me for doing like one person does one thing and one person does another, and then they follow it up. That's awesome. Pull him back, Millie Rock, and boom. I love how hard they're going. Damn. What is he doing?
What about you? Yeah, for the masseuse.
Hey.
What about you? Yeah, for the masseuse. Fuck that bitch and send her right back to you. Check out the deuce. Man, fucking figure.
What's she doing?
Ooh, I want my little man. I went to zoo. What in my ear? Yeah, made the roof disappear. Fuck that bitch to Erica Badu. Yeah. You still ride her band at your boots. I'm sort of bougie, but I'm not a bitch. You got the goose, but it's not at your bitch.
Kaycee's me watching Tahani do that.
Goose, but it's not at your bitch. I some palms they be itching. You ready to raise? That shit is different. Leave us outside. Look through the shades. She's like taking me collars up in the kitchen.
Short video, amazing. That was funny as hell. Oh, I thoroughly enjoyed that. The thing is, right, sitting down choreo, I've seen it being done. It's actually really difficult to do, because obviously a lot of dancers do movements with their feet as well, involving like the movement. There's only a certain amount of things you can do. Although, tell that to Pac-Man, I don't think that dude knows what limitations are when it comes to just tutting. But yeah, thoroughly enjoyed it. It's fun to see them just kind of chill and goof about and do what they enjoy. So yeah, thoroughly enjoyed it, and don't even know what that song was, but it was very catchy. So thank you very much for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. I know it was a short one, but if you have any comments, queries or concerns, any other requests, please put them in the comment section for me, or hit me up on my social medias at Hostile Gaming TV. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.